Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with Coco Shungsun. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. How you could make money with affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are making a wave in the internet industry. It's very easy to set up on any website. Just paste on the provided codes of the merchant site you choose and you're good to go. You would be earning commissions for every click or for every sales that you direct from your website. Most affiliate programs don't require any sign-up fee at all. So for something that you get for free, not to mention maintenance free as well, it's something definitely worth giving a shot. Earning hundreds of dollars through affiliate program is very possible and not just all hype. You can search for different affiliate programs you can find on the web. To get you started, try to choose one affiliate program that you can try at http://www.Coco Shungsun UK. This site provides multi-tier, multi-level affiliate tracking with up to 5 tiers. With the multi-tier affiliate tracking system, not only are you rewarded, you also get rewarded for encouraging other affiliates to join the affiliate program. Choose a product that is appropriate for the site that you currently have. It also best to weave Google Ads to your website to go with the affiliate program you chose to maximize your profits. A lot of people already joined in the bandwagon of entrepreneurs and discover their own pots of gold on the internet. With the onset of push-button web publishing, large-scale companies and small businessmen are breaking through into the internet market fast and easy. It's relatively simple to set up a site on your own. A little technical background is sufficient. There are ready-made templates you can use, and in less than an hour you already got a site up and running. If putting up a website is too much of a hassle for you, then you can have some web designers to do the dirty work at a minimal fee. Your investment would pay off in the long run. If your business is doing good offline, you can increase your wealth base by an incredible amount by building your presence on the internet. Alternatively, if you don't have a business yet, the best place for you to start is on the World Wide Web. It's by far the cheapest advertising tool that you can have, plus you get to have global exposure. Now the biggest question is, how can you make money on the web? There are hundreds of ways, and the single most powerful strategy of them all is to build an affiliate program to promote and kick sale for your products and services. What's an affiliate program? An affiliate program is a marketing technique initiated by Amazon.com CEO Jeff Bezos in 1996. The main concept is to build a network of websites, aside from your own, to promote your company. These sites will then post links and banners of your merchant site. When visitors click on your ads, they will be directed to your site. Now that's time for you to do your thing and close the sale. Your website should be convincing enough to hold the attention of your potential client and eventually get them to try what you have to offer. Your affiliates will get paid for every referrer that you manage to close a sale with. You can also offer a certain amount for every visitor they direct to your site, also referred to as pay-per-click. How to promote your affiliate program? Have a strong content. As with any other website, content is very important to drive in traffic to your site. Add in useful content that readers would find beneficial and in turn would entice them to visit your site more often. In no time, they would definitely buy what you offer. For instance, if you have created an affiliate program selling air mattresses, add articles about its history, design, engineering, and the comfort it brings. These articles will not only serve as selling tools for your site, but would also be very useful for your readers. Plus, getting useful content and optimizing them for search engines would give you a good standing on page ranks. You don't just scatter your affiliate links all over the internet to anyone who wants them. The key here is to promote your site to your target market through your affiliate program. You should meticulously choose your affiliates. The visitors of your affiliate site should be interested to what you offer as well, thus clicking on your link. Following the example above, if you are selling air mattresses, get affiliate websites about beds, sleeping disorders, or even about gift ideas. Provide attractive banner links. Banners are attention grabbers compared to text links. How you represent your website and the product or services you offer is represented in your banner's ads. Keep them eye-catching and enticing enough to get visitors to click them. There are cheap banners ads that can go for as low as $5. Alternatively, you can also try other selling techniques like fly-in ads, moving ads, and pop-ups. Submit your website to affiliate directories. If you want more people to join in your affiliate program, it is important to submit your website to directories. You will get a better response if you narrow down your positioning on the internet and post your website on affiliate directories instead of the general directories. This website have a list of affiliate programs categorized accordingly. Website owners will surely dropped by the site to check out new affiliate programs that they could put up in their site. Niche directories are very powerful in building your online presence, thus making your website get more traffic and consequently skyrocket your sales. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24x7.com. Coco Shangsen pays you to have fun. CocoShangsen.net